Hello students, in this video we will see last topic of chapter number 4, that is nature of roots. Okay, so basically nature of roots depends on the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Okay, किसी भी quadratic equation का nature of roots जो है वो उस quadratic equation के discriminant पर depend करता है. ठीक है, so a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has first two distinct real roots if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Okay, अगर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac ये क्या है, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट. तो अगर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट की वैल्यू स्ट्रिक्टली ग्रेटर दैन 0 होगी तो उस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के रूट्स डिस्टिंक्ट रियल रूट्स एग्जिस्ट होंगे. ओके, सिमिलरली सेकंड जो है वो है टू इक्वल रूट्स इफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इक्वल टू 0 होगा. अगर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इक्वल टू 0 होगा तो उस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के लिए टू इक्वल रूट्स एग्जिस्ट होंगे. ओके, एंड थर्ड वन इज नो रियल रूट्स इफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज लेस दैन 0, नॉट लेस दैन 0, स्ट्रिक्टली लेस दैन 0. ओके, सो दिस इज द बेसिक नेचर ऑफ द roots of a given quadratic equation. Okay, now we will see some example from exercise 4.4. okay, so from exercise 4.4 first example is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so in solution first of all we will compare the given quadratic equation to the standard form of a quadratic equation and obtain the values of a, b and c. Okay, so we know the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. After comparing these two equations we get the values of a, b, c. So here value of a is equal to 2, value of b is equal to minus 3 and value of c is 5. Okay, now we will find discriminant. So discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac equal to, now put the values of b, a and c. So value of b is minus 3 bracket square minus 4, value of a is 2 and value of c is 5. Now minus 3 square is 9, minus 4 to the 8, 8 5 is 40 and it is equal to minus 31. So discriminant is equal to minus 31 which is less than 0. Okay, which is strictly less than 0, and we know when discriminant is strictly less than 0 then there exist no real roots. Okay, so above equation, that means 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0 has no real roots. Therefore this equation has no real roots. Okay, similarly we will solve second example. 3x square minus 4x minus 4 under root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Similarly we will compare this quadratic equation to the standard form of quadratic equation. We get the values of a, b, c. So here value of a is 3, value of b is minus 4 under root 3 and value of c is 4. Therefore discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac which is equal to value of b is minus 4 under root 3 bracket square minus 4 3 into 4 equal to, now minus 4 square is 16 and root 3 square is 3 minus 4 4s are 64, 16 3s are 48. It is equal to 48 minus 48 which is equal to 0. So value of discriminant is 0, and we know second condition that if discriminant is equal to 0 then that quadratic equation has two equal real roots. Therefore this equation has two equal real roots. Okay, now third example is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Similarly first we will compare the given quadratic equation to the standard form of a quadratic equation. So after comparing, we get the value of a which is equal to 2, value of b is -6, and value of c is equal to 3. Now we find discriminant, that is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So this is equal to, now put the values of b, a and c. So here value of b is -6 bracket square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So minus 6 square is 36 minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 are 24. This is equal to 12. So discriminant d equal to 12, which is strictly greater than 0. So as first condition is given, if b square minus 4ac is strictly greater than 0, then for the given quadratic equation, two distinct real roots exist. Okay, so this equation has two distinct real roots. So in this way you can determine nature of roots of any given quadratic equation. Okay, so students, ये था आपका लास्ट टॉपिक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इस चैप्टर से. सो अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट हो इस चैप्टर से तो आप कमेंट करके बता सकते हो. ओके, सो थैंक यू, बाय बाय.